My name is Jackson Frick, and his name is...
Who are you? What's your name?
Heston.
Heston what?
His name is Heston Frick. Today, we are going to be fishing.
And playing it.
We've already caught 2 fish. We'll post that with a clip. So see you out there, boys and girls.
Do it!
Daddy, get the hook, you guys. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be fishing. Daddy's behind the pole. Heston's down here playing in the dirt. We got our 2 dogs down here, and let's hop to it.
Which dog's that?
Right there's Jip, and right there's Jess.
Hess, you gonna catch some fish?
Yeah.
We're eating one tonight. So
We gotta catch a lot more.
Where are we fishing at?
we're underneath a bridge. Intentionally, we were gonna go underneath the old covered bridge, so we never did. So we're just gonna come down here, have some fun, play, and go fishing. If we can get the dogs out of the water, if that is. So, yep, get up here. So they're not wanting to listen.
Yeah, we'll be right back.
It's very slip. Oh gosh. Oh. Trying to slide that light.
That's why I stay up here.
It's very wet down there. Trust me.
Hess,
You'll get off on that plate.
you'll fall in, man.
It'll be above your head. Gosh.
Ooh.
I'm just trying not to slip.
Look, there's little fishies over there jumping, or little frogs.
That's water from the
Oh.
bridge.
Ah,
Got
got one.
Hey, let me reel it in. Can I reel it in? I got one.
Oh, that is a monster.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, that might break a record.
No, it's not. It's not a monster.
That might break a record.
It might make the smallest record.
And your daddy landed that like it was like some...
Yeah, you're fishing in current, so you
Huh.
get the monster. Here you go, Hess.
Here, own it.
Throw it out there.
Throw it back out there, buddy.
Hess, show it to Mama.
We've only been down here for
Look at you.
30 seconds. So,
Hess, let Mommy see it.
stop, do it. No, 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 no. I went away.
Okay, Heston's pants run inside out and backwards.
And I'm trying not to fall in the river where there's sticks, glass, potential murder weapons. So,
All the ability, yeah.
let me reel it. I want to reel it. Let me reel it, Daddy.
It is, it's like a mirror.
Let me reel it. I want to reel it. Nope.
That's the connection.
Yeah, what's up? It's muddy. I fell, slipped off camera. The punishment is wasn't on camera. That's sad. Oh no. You're in boots and no grip down here in this mud, technically. Oh, great. Oh,
Oh.
great. Jess.
Just go.
Whatever you are. I mean, last time we were down here, we were barefooted and we could grip a whole lot easier. So I'm gonna see if that technique works now. I know, my fault. I should have been thinking.
You can fall down there in the water.
What do you do when you fall down there in the water? Swim back out.
Get away from me.
It's very, 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 very slick. Say,
Reel it in, Hess. Here, reel it in. Reel it in. Reel it in. Reel it in. Get it. Get it, Hess. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Get it, Hess. Get it, Hess. You got it, Hess.
oh, that's a big
Well,
one.
Jip,
Yes, yes. There you go.
You got, whoa, you got it.
Don't wet me. I got it. I got it. I got it. Real deal stuff.
Good
I have
job.
another eater. It swallowed the hook.
Where's pliers, Jackson.
Try.
He swallowed it. Pliers, Jackson.
I'm going. Okay, my shoes off. Yes! I made it! I made it! Yes! Damn it.
Watch out, incoming! Number out.
Liz. I made it!
What? Is it alive?
Broke the hook, actually.
Did you make it?
Uh-huh.
You dirty. Do not shake, do not shake.
Put it down here. Whoa.
Heston. Heston, you go in there, Smokey.
Trying to get up.
I'm gonna go wash my feet off.
I think that'd be a good idea.
Down there in the mud. Oh, he's made him a slide. This is weird.
Yeah, I'm gonna wash my feet off.